Welcome to El Nido, Palawan, one of the most breathtaking destinations in the world. In this vlog, we're taking you on a full island hopping experience on tours A and B, two adventures, each with its own magic. From the iconic lagoons of Tour A to the mysterious caves and sandbars of Tour B, this is El Nido in its purest, most unforgettable form. So pack your sunscreen, grab your camera, and let's explore paradise one island at a time.
Guys, sobrang ganda sa ilalim.
Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me.
Morning, El Nido. So ngayon, Tour A yung gagawin namin. Tour A, this is the most popular tour package. So for sure palabit tao. But weather check, ayun makulimlim pa din. Cloudy, tapos feeling ko paulan ulit later. Boarding na yung Tour A. So sila yung mga makakasama. This is our boat, Christine Bay. First
stop or 5 destination. But now we're going to 4th destination only because some of the spots in the Tour A it's not possible like in the Secret Lagoon.
Tour A in El Nido, Palawan is the most popular island hopping tour, often called the classic or must-do tour because it showcases El Nido's most iconic lagoons and beaches. Here's what a typical Tour A includes.
So the first stop, it's a big lagoon. Our activity here, there it's only kayaking, okay?
This is the entrance going to Big Lagoon.
One is Big Lagoon, famous for its emerald green waters surrounded by towering limestone cliffs.
Big Lagoon. Oh, mandatory
But
life
if you don't want to
jacket.
rest, you can put it in a kayak
Tapos 300
or use
yung
the
kaya.
ship here.
So, loading sa kaya. Full kaya. Kaya sa mga fellow kayakers. Oh my gosh. Sobrang ganda. Look. Hey. We're here at the Big Lagoon. Ang dami nagkakaya. Ganda ng view. Sobrang ganda ng mga rock formation.
You can kayak through the lagoon's crystal clear water. It's one of the most photographed spots in Palawan.
Sorry. Nabanggaan. Grabe ganda. Ayun. So, ditong small cave. So, papasok tayo doon. Tingnan natin ano meron. Nice. Galing. So, pwede ding mag-swimming. So, bibigyan ka rin nila ng time to swim. So, napatali na yung isang boat. Yung mga boats na papunta na kami. Boats. So, yan yung Miniloc Resort owned by Ayala pala. Yan pala yung nakikita ko. So, it's near Big Lagoon. So, 24,000 daw a night. 7-Eleven by boat. Magkano yung buko, kuya? 100 daw. 100 yung buko.
Finally, 7 Commandos Beach, the last stop for relaxation. You can swim, enjoy fresh coconut, and take in the postcard-worthy views.
Final destination is 7 Commandos. So yung sun dito is golden din. Ang ganda nung may coconut. Ang lakas ng araw. So dito yung side na pwede maligo. May volleyball din. Dito tayo 7 Commandos. So, tambay lang dito. Last stop. Malapit na to doon sa pinaka-town. Ayan, so mapapansin mo, tambay lang yung mga tao. Relax na lang. Then yung iba naliligo din sa dagat. Medyo maalon lang. Tapos ang ganda, daming coconut trees. So, may mga drinks. Then, yun. Final destination na to. May bar din. Parang din yung mga drinks. Magkano buko, kuya? 100. That's private resort pala. Meron din dito nagsistay. Doon pwedeng kumambay dyan. Tapos mag-swing-swing.
Tour A package includes island hopping boat, lunch, usually grilled seafood, chicken, fruits and rice served beachside, snorkeling gear and life vest, licensed tour guide, and environmental fee, sometimes paid separately. Bring waterproof bag and dry clothes. Kayak rental, big or small lagoon, usually costs extra around 300 pesos. Tours typically run from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Okay, another day. So today we'll be going on Tour B. So sila naman yung mga kasama ko sa Tour B. Ganito pala dito. So madaming travel agency. Pero nag-endorse sila para mapuno yung isang boat. So like ngayon, napatour A ako, naging Tour B. Parang ganun. Tapos papasa nila sa ibang agency.
Tour B is known as the Caves and Coves Tour. It's a bit more relaxed than Tour A, but it takes you to equally stunning spots, from mysterious caves and hidden beaches to one of the most beautiful sandbars in El Nido.
Snake Island.
Snake Island, or the Vegan Island, a natural sandbar shaped like a snake, connects the main island to a nearby island.
We're walking papunta dun sa Snake Sandbar. So yung Snake Sandbar, mahaba siya tapos para siyang snake. So manipis lang siya. So medyo pa-low tide pa lang. So hindi pa siya talagang kitang-kita.
During low tide, you can walk along the sandbar, surrounded by crystal clear waters on both sides. It is perfect for drone shots and barefoot strolls.
Ayan, nandun na sila sa sandbar. Sayang, hindi ganun kakita yung sandbar. So, this is the sandbar, Snake Sandbar. So, wala dito masyadong nakikita. Maligid. snorkeling area yung second stop.
Like your own package or
This is the snorkeling area. We have this small island.
more than 35.
Next is the Kudugnon Cave, a fascinating limestone cave that served as a Neolithic burial site. You'll crawl through a small opening to enter and see stunning rock formations and hidden chambers.
So, ito yung Kudugnon Cave. So, may beach in front, pero papasok kami dun sa cave. So, beautiful. So, we are going to explore the cave first. Kudugnon Cave.
Okay, turn around. Yes.
Okay, so look at my foot, okay?
Jump na lang kayo, sir. Slide na lang kayo. Mababaw lang. Okay. Yes.
I'll carry you.
Ito yung baba niya. Ayun. So may space dito sa loob. Ang galing. From that small opening, yung loob niya. Sobrang laki. Ito yung isang cave din. Yun ba yung labasan? Hindi naman siguro. Balik na. Pabalik din, doon din kami kung saan kami galing kanina. Galing ah! Na so each time na then kakain na. Ganda, sarap magtambay dito at maligo. So ito yata yung sinasabi ng 7-Eleven. Galing oh, may bar. Kudugnon po. Nice. May basketball court din. Yung beach pa. Ito yung food namin, yung banana, shrimp, pakwan, fish, chicken. Bye, good cake.
Category food, but you can only 10-second picture taking here. For the boats already, we are good. We are nothing good for going inside, but only swimming. But only picture taking by boat. Then after that,
Next is the Cathedral Cave, a tall, cavernous opening on the side of a limestone cliff resembling a cathedral.
So this is the Cathedral Cave. Wala siya pwedeng pasukan. I thought we're gonna enter, but no.
Boats usually stop nearby since the water can be deep, but you can peek inside to see its majestic stalactites.
This is our final destination, El Santo. Oh, save the best for last.
And finally, the Entalula Island, postcard perfect beach with powdery white sand and turquoise water, perfect for snorkeling and spotting colorful corals and tropical fish.
So high tide ngayon dito kaya nakalapit yung boat. So this side reserved for private function. So pwede pala siyang i-reserve. So malamang mahal dito. Dito may mga bench and tables dito. It's a snake! Oh. Grabe. Yung area kung saan pwedeng mag-rent ng table para kumain. So, under the Talisay tree. Ulit tayo sa Talula Island. So dito yung maraming clownfish and sea anemone. So babalikan natin. Kakagaling ko lang ulit kanina doon. Ngayon babalik tayo to spot different sea anemones with clownfish. Promise, ang dami, tabi-tabi siya. I'll record it for you guys. Vega. Guys, sobrang ganda sa ilalim. Ang daming Nemo, ang daming clownfish, ang daming sea anemone. Sobrang ang ganda dito sa Talula Beach. Sobrang rich in marine biodiversity. Tapos sobrang accessible lang niya. So kailangan pakaingatan talaga yung like docking ng boats kasi dito siya dumadaan. So may designated area ng mga boats na doon. Kasi sobrang like konting walk lang from the shore, andun na yung mga clownfish. Sobrang ganda. So you have to visit here.
It's one of the best spots for swimming and lounging, often used for lunch stops.
Pinakabilihan nila dito. May mga shake, alcoholic drink, sodas, tubig. Pwedeng kumain din dito sa sand lang. Pwede rin sa table.
Yeah, so this is the beach. I think what this made it become worldwide na known is because of its raw beauty. Look, so wala masyadong development. White sand, fine white sand. Ang ganda ng mga limestone formations. And also, yun nga, yung kanyang marine biodiversity, yun talaga. Okay, yun yung highlight.
Bye, Talula Beach. Grabe, no wonder. Isa ka sa mga famous beaches in the world kasi sobrang world class talaga. Marine biodiversity #1.
And that wraps up our journey through El Nido's Tour A and B. 2 tours, countless beaches, lagoons, caves, and memories.
Guys, sobrang ganda sa ilalim.
But one thing is sure, El Nido is a place that stays with you long after you leave. From kayaking through emerald lagoons, to walking on sandbars, and island life at its best, El Nido should be at the very top of your list. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this vlog, and I'll see you on the next adventure.